So Debbie, with summer coming up, I want to get just one more question in here because I know we're
But
coming down on our time together. But with summer coming up, is there anything specific that people should be looking out for, with especially with their cats or dogs? You know, fleas, heartworm, or are they at risk for anything this time of year more than any other time?
I would say, I mean, because of there's more activity outdoors, literally in the insect life, but the animals are outdoors more. So there tends to
Yeah,
be a lot more insects, fleas, ticks,
yeah,
mosquitoes, and those types of things. So what you want to do is the main thing with fleas and ticks is to already have a strong immune system.
yeah.
The animals will be the fleas and ticks will be less attractive to animals that have a strong immune system because their skin, their fur, their odor is much less attractive to insects coming in. So that's our first line of defense. And the blog post on natural flea and tick prevention explains how the body works from the inside out. Um, but there's the DIY spray that you can use for going outdoors that's gonna help with all of the insects, and that's one thing that you can do is you can make your spray as long as there's not already a problem. You're gonna need to do more than
Right.
that. So, you do need to be more conscious and aware if you're gonna be outdoors, which everybody is, and the animals need
Yeah,
to be outdoors. They need to get their feet on the ground.
yeah.
They need outdoor time. You do wanna be more aware of the little insects and checking, especially if you're seeing biting and scratching and more, you know, scratching, you wanna get a hold of these things
Yeah,
before they
awesome.
get worse.
Yeah, awesome. So it's happytails.tips. I'm going to go look at that blog. Is there anything else you want to share today before we end our interview?
I think that's it. I think we've covered a lot, again, a lot to
Awesome.
digest, and, just it's about awareness and becoming
Yeah.
aware of how we can truly be our pet's greatest caregiver.
Yeah.
It all starts at home.
Yes, it does. And it's just amazing to me how many parallels there are. You know, as you were talking, I'm thinking just the immune system, like with humans. I mean, the stronger your immune system, the less prone we are to unwanted bugs, bugs in quotation, like viruses and things like that, because they can't
Absolutely.
thrive in a healthy body. So,
Yes, our
it's
animals are the same.